my hands on this Marouom premium peeler set. Let's open it up and see what we've got here. All right, so two kinds of peelers. They're a nice flat black. They have like a sort of a rubber grip right here, which is nice. Definitely like that. And that's on both of these. They're comfortable to hold. They've also got these little pieces here on the side to get like the piece of a potato or a vegetable that you don't want to eat. These will be really nice to go ahead and grab those pieces, dig those out that you don't want to eat. And it's also on this one too. It's got a nice curve to it, which will make it easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these and then we're gonna give them a try. All right, so I went ahead and hand washed these. They are also dishwasher safe, which is nice. I got a carrot, so we can go ahead and give these a try. So I'm gonna try with this one first. Definitely very easy. This is going to be a time saver. I'm definitely getting rid of my old peelers. They are nice and sharp. Awesome. And then we'll go ahead and try this one. This one's just as nice. These are easy to hold. They've got a good grip to them. They're comfortable to hold. Easy to use. The only thing I wish was that these came with covers. Definitely not a deal breaker, however. I'm very happy with these. I hope you found this video helpful.